Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state of the art recipe finder app in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state of the art recipe search app using react.js and external API as well. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session guys, I'll explain you, I'll teach you guys that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state of the art recipe finder app in react.js using external API and SweetAlert too. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn and today what we are gonna create. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionality of the example as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and external API as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, an awesome and dynamic recipe search app using react.js. Okay, yes guys, you read it right. Guys, today here in this video, in this session guys, we are gonna learn that how we can create this kind of dynamic, awesome and state of the art recipe search app using react.js and using the third party API as well. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one input field, okay, with the placeholder saying enter food or recipe name. Okay, and guys, on the right hand side we can see one button also which says search recipe. Okay, and guys, below we can see another heading says some search suggestion for you to get started. Try these popular searches. Okay, like egg, salad, chicken, burger, matar paneer, fish pie and omelette. Okay, and guys, as of now we don't have anything, any recipe or any meals here. Okay, so that's why we are gonna see here one text also which says no recipes found, try searching for something else. Okay, so guys, suppose, okay, you don't have any idea in your mind that what to search and what to order. Okay, so guys, for you, okay, for such kind of scenarios, okay, for such conditions, I have given here some search suggestion for you to get started. Okay, like these are the search suggestions. Okay, egg, salad, chicken, burger, matar paneer, fish pie and omelette. Okay, so guys, whenever you will click on any of these suggestions guys, you will be able to see the recipe, you will be able to see the meals, okay, based on the search term, based on the search string. Okay, so guys, now let me just click here on this search string, on this suggestion string egg. Okay, and then only I will be able to explain you more and more feature, more and more functionality about this demo, about this example. Okay, so guys, now let me just hit this egg search suggestion. Okay, so hit it now As of now guys, you can see here we don't have anything in this search input field. Okay, so guys, the moment you will hit any of these search suggestion, okay, the same text, the same search text you will be able to see here in this search input field as well. Okay, so let me just hit randomly guys. This application, this React app is so dynamic and is so cool guys. You will be able to search here anything, any food name, any meals name, any recipe name. Okay, you would be able to search anything. Anything means anything. Okay, our React app is very cool, very dynamic. Okay, so let's just hit here first mutter paneer. Okay, you can hit anything randomly. Okay, let's just hit chicken. Okay, so hit it now. So see, boom guys, you can see here the same search string also in the search input field as well. Okay, chicken. Okay, and guys, from the search string chicken, I have clicked here this search suggestion chicken. Okay, and guys, from this search string chicken, guys, we can see here we have got so many recipe, we have got so many food, we can see here so many dishes. Okay, we can see we can say here meals as well. Okay, so guys, these are the, okay, meals or the dishes, okay, with the search string chicken. Okay, you can see here we have got so many of uh, recipes or meals here over with the search term, with the search string chicken. Okay, and guys, here on each and every recipe card, on each and every product card, okay, we can say product, we can say recipe, there is no issue. The point is to understand the video, to understand the coding. Okay, the point is to learn something new, to learn something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, this is it. Okay, and guys, you can see here on each and every recipe card we have got, okay, one recipe image or the dish pic. Okay, and this is the name about the recipe, this is the name of the dish. Okay, category is chicken, cuisine is Indian. Okay, and guys, here we have got two buttons also. The first button is called watch on YouTube and the second button is called see details. Okay, so guys, the moment you will hit this first button, watch on YouTube, you will be taken to the YouTube. Okay, and the respective YouTube video will be played. Okay, so let me just show you a few, okay, YouTube videos also. Okay, I will be able to show you, you only one to two videos. Okay, suppose guys, if the content is private, if the content is protected, okay, so my video won't be able to will be able to being uploaded on YouTube. Okay, because YouTube is gonna restrict my video. Okay, so I would be able to show you only two. Okay, so just hit this button, watch on YouTube. Okay, so hit it now. You can see. Okay, so you can see okay, so you can see here guys, it has taken us to the YouTube. Okay, and it will show you the respective, okay, I mean like meals or the okay, it will show you the respective like videos. Okay, YouTube videos. Okay, that's it. Okay, and guys, here we can see here we have got another button also called see details. Okay, guys, the moment you will hit this button see details, okay, you will be able to see entire details. You will be able to see all the details about the particular product, okay, on which you have currently clicked. Okay, so I am gonna hit this button see details. So hit it now. So see, boom guys, you can see here uh, in this SweetAlert 2 I have shown all the details. This is the recipe name, this is the meals name. Okay, and this is the product image, this is the price description, category is chicken, and here we have got, okay, one button called close. Okay, to close this dismiss, to okay, to close this pop-up, to close this okay, modal. Okay, we can say modal as well. Okay, and here also we can see the cross icon which is also given for the closing of this modal. Okay, so This is it. So close this. Okay, and guys, you can see here on each and every recipe card, on each and every product card, we can see here the dish pick or the recipe pick. Okay, we can see the name of the recipe, name of the meals. Okay, we can see the category also, we can see the cuisine also, like American, Mexican, Greek, okay, British, Japanese, Italian, and Portuguese. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna explain you all the recipe card. Okay, it is same. Okay, guys, if you want, okay, deeper explanation of this video, of this session, okay, guys, I have already created a deeper explanation about this session of this video. Guys, just come here and watch this React.js true meals recipe search app. Okay, this, okay, guys, try to watch this, okay, video. Okay, in this video I have just only explain about the this okay session about this video in deep in details. Okay, just come and watch this video if you want, okay, deeper explanation of this demo of this video. Okay, so you can see, just watch this video, React.js true meals recipe search app. Okay, so guys, now just come to the demo. Okay, so you can see here from this chicken, we can see here this many of meals or the recipe. Okay, if we want to, we can see the details in the SweetAlert 2. If we want, we can see the YouTube video also. Click this, watch on YouTube, it will take you to the YouTube as well. Okay, so hit this button, watch on YouTube. Okay, so it has taken us to the YouTube video, and it will play. Okay, so just close this. I don't want my video to be, okay, restricted, because it might be protected content. Okay, it might be private content. Okay, so this is it. So now let's just hit on egg. Okay, so hit this search string egg. Okay, so hit it now. Okay, so see the guys, with the search string egg. Okay, I have clicked here egg, and we can see here this much of product. Okay, this much of recipe. Okay, with this search string egg. Okay, so same here also, recipe image. Yeah, I mean, we can say here the dish pick as well, the recipe name or the dish name. Okay, this is the category vegetarian, cuisine is Chinese. Okay, one two button also, watch on YouTube and see details. Okay, we can see the entire details in the sweet and nice SweetAlert to pop up as well. Okay, so rest all are same. This is the recipe pick. Okay, and the recipe name, category vegetarian. Okay, category breakfast, category vegetarian. Okay, and cuisine is American, Filipino. Okay, American. Okay, and here also we can see here also two buttons, watch on YouTube, and one button called see details. Okay, to see the entire details in a nice and dynamic SweetAlert 2, along with the recipe name, recipe pick, okay, price, description, category, and one button to close this pop-up. Okay, to dismiss this pop-up. Okay, so close this. Here also same. Okay, so now just hit on salad. So hit it. Okay, so you can see here with this salad only, we have got here five meals, or we can see here five recipes. Okay, and guys, you must be, okay, noticing one thing, that guys, here I have also implemented, okay, nice and dynamic loading skeleton as well. Okay, guys, you can see here, whenever we will try to search any recipe or meals name. Okay, and till then, guys, okay, our product is being loaded, till then our page is being ready. Okay, guys, we can see here a nice dynamic, okay, and awesome loading skeleton as well. Okay, so let me just hit on this burger, and guys, try to watch the nice and dynamic loading skeleton as well. Okay, till then our product is being fetched, till then our page is being all okay, ready. Okay, we would be able to see here one nice and awesome loading skeleton as well. Okay guys, it will give your app user, it will give your user a nice and awesome user experience. Okay, they will say that your application is very dynamic, and guys, they are going to use your application, they are going to use your website, okay, more and more, and they will try to engage, okay, themselves more and more whenever they will need something, whenever they will try to find some meal, okay, try to find some, okay, good, okay, meals or the recipe. Okay, so that's why I have given here this nice and dynamic loading skeleton as well. Okay, so let me just hit this burger. So hit it burger. So see, with the search string, we can see here only two meals. Okay, only two recipe. Okay, so if we want, we can watch the YouTube video as well, and if we want, we can see the entire details also in the in a SweetAlert to pop up. Okay, so this is the product name or the recipe name, product image, price, description, category is lamb. Okay, so close this, and here we can see here we don't have here any button, okay, or like watch on YouTube or see details, because I have given here one condition. Okay, if this button is available, then only I will show this button see details. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so search here this search suggestion matar paneer. Okay, so hit it matar paneer. So see, with the matar paneer, we can see here only one product. Okay, the category is vegetarian and cuisine is Indian. Okay, watch on YouTube by clicking this button. Watch on YouTube and see details in the nice and dynamic SweetAlert 2. Whenever you will hit this button, see details. Okay, so hit it. Okay, so this is the recipe name or the meals name, this is the product image or the recipe image, price is this, description Indian, and category vegetarian. Okay, or we can say here the cuisine. Okay, so in the coding we will say here cuisine. Okay, so just close this from here, or we can dismiss this pop-up from this cross icon as well. Okay, so hit it, and now hit this button or the search string which says fish pie. So hit it now. So you can see here with this search string fish pie, we can see here only two product. Okay, fish pie and three fish pie. Okay, category is seafood, category is seafood, cuisine in is British. Okay, cuisine British. Okay, two buttons also, watch on YouTube, see details to see the entire details. Okay, close this. Here also two buttons, watch on YouTube and see details. Okay, to see the entire details in a nice and dynamic SweetAlert 2 like this. Okay, so hit this search string omelette. So hit it now. So we can see here with the search string omelette, we can see here three product. Okay, bread omelette, French omelette, and provencal omelette cake. Okay, so we can see here also two buttons. The first button is called watch on YouTube, and another button is called see details to see the entire details. Okay, so hit it, close this. Here also see details and watch on YouTube, see entire details in a nice and dynamic SweetAlert 2. Okay, so guys, this was just the some search suggestion to get you started. Okay guys, like I told you already, guys, our application, our React app is so dynamic, is so cool. We can search here anything, any recipe name, any food name, any meals name. Okay, if it is there on the server, we can see it. Okay, so let me just show you the API, which API I am gonna use here in this app. Okay, so copy this from here and just come and open a new tab and paste it, hit enter. So guys, here we are gonna use this API called the mealdb. Okay, welcome to mealdb. So guys, just come here and try to learn what is it's all about, and try to create your own API key. And guys, I would like to request you also, please guys, after watching this video, after having this session, please do try to create something awesome, do try to create something cool, okay, using this meal API, the meal DB API, okay. And guys, let me guys clear you one thing very important. Guys, if you feel my audio or the my my voice is too low, the audio of this video is too low, then please guys, okay, do use the headphone, please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice, okay. So this is it, okay. So guys, now you can see here is also some search input field, okay. So let me just search here also, and we will also search in our React app as well, okay. So let me just search here with the pork, okay. So hit enter. So guys, we can see here with the pork, we can see here we have got here 8 product, okay. So just come to the our app now, search here also pork, hit enter. So see, boom guys, you can see here also we can see here with the search term pork, okay, we can see here 8 product, okay. And guys, you can see here our recipe card, our okay product card is so dynamic, is so eye pleasing. You can see guys, our UI is also cool, our UI is also very pleasing, okay. I'm sure guys, I'm damn sure that after watching this video, after watching this session, you will definitely try to create this React search app using React, okay. I'm damn sure guys, you will definitely try to create it. And guys, I will also encourage you, I'll also motivate you to please guys, okay, after watching this video, after having this session, then please do try to create this app on your own, okay. You will get to know, you will learn a lot of things, okay, whenever you will try to create something on your own, okay. Guys, just don't watch the video, okay, after watching this video, after watching this session, please guys, okay, do try to create this on your own, okay. In this way we can learn more and more things, okay. As we all know, we learn a lot of things while doing the practical, while writing the code, okay. Guys, if you are watching my video, if you are watching another videos also, guys, I would like to request you, please guys, after watching the video, please do try to create something unique, something cool on your own, okay. Just don't watch coding someone else on YouTube, guys. Please try to write code, try to learn on by yourself as well, okay. Because we all know, by writing, by doing practical, we learn more and more, okay. Again, I would say, just don't watch, okay, someone coding on YouTube. After watching the video, if you feel I need to watch something, if you feel I need to learn something from YouTube, okay, then please guys, do watch the video. And after watching the video, just try to do coding on your own, okay. You will learn a lot of things, okay. So guys, you can see here our UI is also eye pleasing, our UI is also awesome, okay. You can see here with the pork, okay, we have got here 8, okay, recipe or the meals, okay, here, okay. Also in our React app, okay. And here also there is only 8 product here also, okay. So let me just search here another thing, I'll say here cake, okay. So hit enter. So guys, with the search string cake, we can see here it has got, okay, this much of product also with the search string cake, okay. So now come to the our code, our app, okay. So I'll say here cake, okay. So hit enter. So guys, you can see here we can hit the enter, as well as we can hit this button also in order to search the recipe, okay. So here also we can see in our React app also we are able to hit enter, and we can see we have also fetched the meals or the recipe, okay. And you can see here our UI is so cool and so pleasant, okay. It will give you guys a feel of that you are using an international app, you are using a mobile app to find some recipe, to find some meals, okay. Here also we can see this much of product with the search string cake, okay. And here also we can see this much of product with the search string cake. Okay, so this is our app. Okay, and this is the meal db app. Okay, the search, okay, criteria. Okay, the search engine. Okay, and this is our search engine. Okay, so we can see here. Now let me just search here the we can say here biryani. Okay, so biryani, hit enter, or we can hit this button search recipe as well. Okay, so hit this time this button search recipe. So we can see here with the biryani search string, we can see here only one product, lamb biryani, category is lamb, cuisine is Indian. We can see the entire details in a nice and awesome SweetAlert 2 pop up, and we can see the we can watch the video also on YouTube whenever we will click this button watch on YouTube. Okay, so hit it now one more time for you. Okay, so you can see here we have taken to the YouTube. Okay, so just close this. Okay, and now come here and search here also biryani. So hit enter. So see, with the search string biryani, we can see here only one product. Okay, so now come to the our app. Okay, let me just search here the chocolate. Okay, hit enter. So you can see here with this search string chocolate. Okay, we can see here 8 product. Okay, 8 cuisine, 8 recipe. Okay, and on each and every recipe card we can see here recipe pick or the meals pick, the name of the recipe, the name of the meals. Okay, category is dessert. Okay, cuisine is French. Okay, this is the name. Category is dessert. Okay, cuisine is French. Okay, here also we have got 2 buttons. The first button is called watch on YouTube, and another button is called see details, to see the entire details in a nice and dynamic SweetAlert 2. Okay, so we can see here we have got here 8, okay, product with the search string chocolate. Okay, so copy this search string from here and come to the meal db and paste it here. Okay, and hit enter. So see, boom guys, you can see here this. Okay, the meal db search. Okay, like we can say here the search engine. Okay, and our search engine is quite similar, is quite same. Okay, from this chocolate keyword, this search string. Okay, we can see here this much of product also here on our react app also, and in this the meal db like app as well. Okay, so just come again and search here anything. I can search here anything. Okay, just say here beef, hit enter. So see, from this string, okay, search string beef. Okay, we can see here we have got so many of products. Okay, we can see here from this search string beef, we can see here so many of product. Okay, so many of product with the product image. Okay, product name. Okay, category and cuisine. I'm sorry. Okay, and here we can see here 2 buttons also on each and every recipe card, on each and every meals card we can see these 2 buttons. Okay, first button is called watch on YouTube, another button is called see details. Okay, so hit this see details. See, it's cool and dynamic. Okay, so guys, you can see here guys, we can guys search here anything, any meals, any food name, any recipe name. Okay, if it is here. Okay, if it is here, we can see here on our react search app as well. Okay guys, if it is defined here. Okay guys, whatever you have searched, okay, here, okay, on this app, the meal db, we will be able to search here also, because this app is so dynamic, this app is so cool. We can search here any food name, any meals name, any recipe name as well. Okay, and it will give us the recipe. Okay, it will give us the meals. Okay, along with the this nice and dynamic, okay, recipe card. Okay, the product image I have shown, product name I have shown, category I have shown, cuisine I have shown. Okay, Filipino, Chinese, okay, Malaysian, okay, Filipino, okay, Russian, British, Filipino, Chinese. Okay, so these are the cuisines. Okay, so we can say British, French, British. Okay, So Mexican, Thai, British, okay. uh, I don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, let it be. American, Irish, okay, Vietnamese, okay. And I have shown two buttons also. First button is called watch on YouTube. Another button is called see details. Okay, all the things in a nice and little sweet alert to pop up. Okay, so guys, I hope I have explained you all the things. Okay, and guys, you can see here, we can see here, guys, the nice and dynamic, okay, loading skeleton as well. See, loading skeleton loaded, okay, loading loaded, okay, loading loaded, okay. See, guys, we can see here nice and dynamic, okay, loading skeleton as well. Okay, so guys, it is gonna mimic that image is being loaded, it is gonna mimic that text is being loaded, it is gonna mimic that button is being loaded. Okay, like see, this is the image, this is the some text, okay, like a product name. But you can see here, whenever we will be able to see the loading skeleton, we would be able to see the same thing. Okay, so let's just show you one more time. So hit egg. See, you can see here, okay, the image is being loaded, the text is being loaded, so it is gonna mimic the recipe card. Okay, see, you can see here, the image is being loaded, the text is being loaded. See, omelette. See, okay. Okay, so I hope, guys, you got the deal. Okay, I hope you have now understood that what we are gonna learn in this video, in this session. Okay, and what we are gonna create. Okay, and guys, I hope, guys, I've explained you all the things, all the functionality, all the feature about this demo, about this app. Okay, so guys, now I feel, I can sense that you are really excited, you are really thrilled, okay, to learn to create this kind of dynamic recipe search app using react.js and this API, okay, the meal DB API, okay, and SweetAlert 2 as well, okay, with me, Prabhat Pandit. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this kind of dynamic and awesome state of the art recipe search app using react.js external API and SweetAlert 2. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys, press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly. And definitely, guys, you will grow also professionally after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, so guys, I need your help. Okay, and guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and your brother need help, your help, your friend need your help. Okay, and guys, you all know that the only way you can help me, the only way you're gonna support me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Please guys, subscribe now and support me, and please guys, like my all my videos. Okay, please guys, do like my all videos, okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, and please guys, if you feel the audio of this video is too low, then please do use the headphone, please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice of this video. Okay, do use the headphone please for better experience. Okay, so I know, guys, you are not gonna subscribe my this channel Code with ER because you are here just to subscribe some shitty channel, just to watch some city content, okay, on YouTube, which is gonna, okay, criticize, which is gonna, okay, say bad things about our culture, about our city, about our country, about our people as well. Okay, you will subscribe only their channels. Okay, I know you are here just to watch the shitty content, just to watch the, okay, like useless and mindless, okay, third grade content only. You are not gonna subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, because here I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna make you some better person. But you are here just to watch some city content, just to subscribe their channels only. Okay, because you are interested, you are more and more interested in watching the shitty content, in watching the third grade, okay, content, mindless content, okay, some abusive content. Okay, I know, but please guys, again, still I would like to request you that please guys, subscribe to my this channel code with ER, and please guys be the part of this dynamic and great community of mine, okay, on YouTube, okay. And because I will teach you here on this channel code with ER, CSS, HTML5, okay, jQuery, JavaScript, PHP, React.js, Vue.js, Angular.js, and now ServiceNow as well, okay. So guys, if you want to become a great React.js developer in future, then guys you must subscribe to my this channel code with ER. But you are free to watch the shitty content, to subscribe their shitty channel as well, which is gonna say bad things about our culture, about our people, about our city, about our society, okay. You are free to watch that shitty content, okay, because I am gonna teach you, I am gonna make you a better person, okay. I am gonna mold you in a better way, okay. But I am sure you are not interested at all, and you are not gonna subscribe my this channel code with ER. But still I requested you कि please guys do subscribe to my this channel code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please guys do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development as well, okay. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this state of the art dynamic recipe search app using React.js third party API and SweetAlert 2 with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, okay. So guys, now let me go to the code editor. So here guys, I'm gonna use here VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences, okay. So let me just create here one new file, okay. I'll say here react recipe, okay, app 1/3 HTML. So hit enter, save the file, okay, save the file, hit enter, just delete this, okay. So let me just create here HTML very quickly, okay. So give the page title as well. I'll say here code with ER Prabhat Pandit, okay. So guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer, okay. And I have got more than 5 years of experience as a ServiceNow developer, okay. And currently I'm working in Bangalore, okay. So guys, this is all about me, okay. So guys, now in order to work with this file, we need some CDN links also. So let me just go to the example and let me just copy the CDN links from there, and we will paste it here in our code, okay. In order to work with this file, okay, we need some CDN links as well, okay. So just come here and just copy these CDN links from here, and let me just paste it here. So paste it here, okay. And let me just explain you all the CDN links about okay. So guys, this is the CSS file for bootstrap.min.css, and it is inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS. This is guys the JS file for react.development.js, and it is again inside the folder JS, inside the folder assets, okay, inside the folder JS, okay. And this is react dom.development.js. It is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS, okay. And this is the bevel.min.js CDN link, okay. It is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS, okay. And guys, these are the CDN links for SweetAlert 2, okay. You can see here SweetAlert2.min.css. So this is the CSS file, okay, and this is the JS file for SweetAlert 2, okay. So guys, this is it, okay. We have the required CDN link, okay, to work with this file, and we are free to write our code. We are free to work in this file, okay. So guys, now let me just create here one container div also. So I'm gonna create here one container div. I'll give the ID as well. I'll give the ID as a root, okay. So close this div, okay. So guys, this is it, okay, about the HTML part, okay. So guys, this div is known as the entry point for the React, okay, component for the React, okay, I mean DOM, okay. So React is gonna React is gonna populate, okay, all the component, all the output here inside this div, okay. So this is it. We are done with the HTML part, okay. So let me just create here one script element also. I'll say here script, So just close this. I'll give the type also as a text slash Babel. Okay, because we are gonna use here the Syrian version of Babel here. Okay, so we have used here Syrian version of Babel, so that's why we have to specify, we have to mention here the type attribute as well to this script tag. Okay, so guys, this is it. First of all, I'm gonna create here one main component. Okay, so I'm gonna say here const, I'll use here the fat arrow function. Okay, I'll say here recipe. Okay, recipe app like this, give equal to open and closing parenthesis, give equal to this sign, and here I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so we have to return all the things first. So we have to say here return, and we have to give here one container div. We are free to give the JSX fragments inside this return statement like this. Okay, so guys, this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay, but here I would like to define here, I would like to create here one container div. Okay, one parent div. Okay, so give the class name also like this. I'll say here container margin top 5, margin bottom also 5, and just close this div very quickly. And inside this div we are free to write anything, because we have to give here one parent div, one container div to this return statement. Okay, so guys, now this is it, and now we have to guys mount, okay, this react.js instance with our HTML part. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna do that, and we all know how we can do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here a couple of const also. So I'll say here const, I'll say here container, I'll give here equal to document dot get element by id, and we have to give here the id of this div, which is root. So copy this root from here and just paste it here. This is it. I'm gonna create here another variable or const. I'll say here const, I'll say here root, I'll say here equal to react dom dot create root. Okay, and we have to give this container as a parameter to this function, create root. Okay, create, okay, react dom dot create okay root. So this is it. So now we have to use this root, okay, to render our entire things, to render our entire react component, okay, on the browser. Okay, so we will say here root dot render like this, and here I'm gonna use here the one special component called as strict mode. Okay, so we use guys strict mode in the development phase only. In the production mode, in the production phase, it has no any impact, it has no any significance. Okay, this is it. So I'll say here like this, I'll just copy this app name, recipe app. Okay, and paste it here, close this. This is it. Okay, so first of all guys, I am gonna import, okay, some of the react hook, okay, from the react library as well. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here const, I am gonna import something from the react library. I'm gonna import couple of, okay, hooks. Okay, so first hook I'm gonna import is use, okay, use state. Okay, and second component or the hooks we are gonna import is use effect. Okay, use effect. And now I'm gonna import one special component called strict mode. Okay, strict mode. Okay, so from where? Of course from react. Okay, so close this react, close this, and copy this strict mode special component, and we have to enclose our main component, okay, inside this strict mode. Okay, in the development phase. Okay, it is gonna catch the error. Okay, it is gonna catch the potential error, and it will make your app development a little faster. Okay, so just close this. This is it. Okay, so guys, now in this way guys, in this way we have mounted our react.js instance with our HTML part, with our Vue part. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, here I'm going to create here couple of variables also, couple of const as well. Okay, I'll say here const equal to, I'll give here the variable name as a header. Okay, as a header, give equal to, I'll say here welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, put point, close this. Okay, and now let me just create here some a couple of divs also. So I'll say here divs. I'll give the class name also. I'll say here margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. I'll give here the text center. Okay, and just close this div and open this div. Inside this div I'm gonna create here one h1 element. Okay, so I'll say here h1. I'll give the class name also as a h1 only. Okay, close this div and just say here open and closing curly braces, and we have to copy this header variable from here and just paste it here. Okay, and guys, finger crossed, okay, we would be able to see this value, this string on the browser. Okay, if everything is okay, if everything is fine. Okay, so guys, now just save this file and have a look in the browser. So open this file with the live server. Okay, so hit it. So see, boom guys, we can see here the string welcome to react.js classes with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let me just copy this text also from here and just come here to our code, and we are gonna create here another const. I'll say here const, I'll say here subheader. Okay, like this subheader give equal to, this time I will use here the single quote and close this. Okay, and now copy this div and just paste below it, and we have to make it h2 only, and that's it. Okay, so make it h2, copy this subheader variable or const from here and just replace with this header, paste it, save the file and have a look in the browser first. So we can see, boom guys, an awesome and dynamic recipe search app using react.js. Okay, so guys, now we have to create here this form first. Okay, so guys, we are now gonna create this form with this search input field. Okay, and with this button called search recipe. Okay, so guys, now just come to the code and we are gonna do it now. Okay, but guys, let me just create here couple of state variables as well. Okay, so I'm gonna say here const. I will create here first state variable as a query. Okay, so I'll say here query and I'll just say here set query. Okay, set query from where, from of course use state. Okay, from use state. Okay, so as of now just give the blank or the empty string as the initial value to this query state variable. Okay guys, at the moment you will use this use state hook, it is gonna create here one array. Okay, and that array will have exactly two element. Okay, that array will have exactly two element. Okay, so the first element is called query and this is also called as the state variable. Okay, we will use this state variable to manage the state between the components in our React app. Okay, and this set query is known as the state updater function. Okay guys, this set query is known as the state updater function. By using this set query state updater function, we are gonna update this query every time. Guys, every time we have to modify, we have to update, we have to change this query, we will use only this set query state updater function. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let me guys explain you one more thing which is very important. Guys, here in this video, in this session, guys, we are not only gonna learn that how we can create this kind of dynamic and awesome recipe search app using react.js. Guys, we are also gonna learn that how efficiently, how dynamically, how gracefully we are gonna handle the HTTP request, we are gonna handle the HTTP error as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Okay, in this video, in this session, guys, I will explain you, I'll teach you guys that how gracefully, how dynamically and how efficiently we are gonna handle the HTTP request, we are gonna handle the HTTP error as well. Okay, in this video, in this session with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's just come to the code, and first of all we have to create this form element. with this input field and with this search recipe button as well very quickly. So first of all, let me just define here a couple of state variable. Okay, so I'll just create here another state variable. I'll say here const, I'll say here recipe. Okay, recipe. Okay, and we will say here a set recipe. Okay, like this. This is it. From where? From of course use state. Okay, use state, close this, and as of now just give the empty array as the initial value, as the default value of this recipes. Okay, say here recipes. Okay, a state variable. Okay, so guys, the default value of this, okay, recipes state variable is the empty array. This is it, and we will use this set recipes state variable to update this recipes state variable. Okay, this is it. So create here another const. I'll say here const. Okay, I'll say here like this, open and closing square bracket, and I'm gonna create here loading. Okay, loading skeleton state variable. Okay, I will say here set loading as well. Okay, so guys, as we all know that here we are gonna use the, okay, third party API, third party, okay, third party API. Okay, so guys, in the okay guys, whenever we will try to hit some URL, okay, whenever we will try to search, okay, something, okay, some recipes, okay, some meals name. Okay, and guys, till then our data is being ready, till then our app is being ready, till then our, okay, response is ready. Okay guys, we have to show something to the user. Okay, so guys, in the meantime, okay guys, in the meantime, okay, our app is being ready, our data is being ready. We will show this loading skeleton to the user, which is gonna mimic that image is being fetched, image is being, okay, loaded. Okay, text is being loaded. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, you can see here this looks very dynamic and very eye pleasing as well. Okay, so this is known as the, guys, loading skeleton. Okay, so for this, guys, loading skeleton, okay, we have created here this loading, okay, state variable, and set loading state updater function will update this, okay, true false based on the conditions. Okay, so guys, here I have given the initial or the default value of this loading state variable as a false. Okay, and we all know this is a boolean value. Okay, so this is it. Let me just create here another const. I'll say here const. Here I'm gonna show the error. Okay, so error message we have to show also to the user. Okay, we will say here set, okay, error. Okay, like this. From where? From, of course, we have to use here the user state. Okay, and as of now, let me just give here the null value. Okay, so the default value, the initial value, this error state variable is null, and we will use this set error state updater function to update this dynamically, okay, this state variable error. Okay, so guys, let me just show you one important things also. Okay, so suppose, guys, user is gonna search, okay, some string, some search string, okay, randomly, which is not available on the browser, on the server, okay, on the API. So we have to show some response to the user that this search string is not available. Okay, like let me just search here some random string, some random search string. Okay, so hit enter. You can see no recipes found, try searching for something else. Okay, and here you can see the error also, error, no recipes found for the given search term. Like this, we will show the term as well. Okay, so let me just search with this awesome string only, copy and paste it here. So hit enter. You can see here here error, no recipes found for the given search term. Okay, and I have shown the string as well. Okay, this same string, awesome, here also I have shown. Okay, so guys, we have to show the error as well. Okay, so for this guys, we have to define here one state variable. Okay, error, and set error is the state updater function. Okay, the initial value of this state variable error is null. Okay, nothing. Null means nothing, zero, void. Okay, so guys, now very quickly I am gonna create here this, okay, form element, okay, with the input fields and the button also search recipe. Okay, so come to the code now. Here below this I'm gonna create here now. Okay, so just come to the code. So we have to create here one div. I'm gonna define here one div, give the class name also. I'll say here uh, give the class name, I'll say here input. Okay, input group. Okay, we can give here margin top 3 also, we can give 4 also. It's up to us only. Close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here one input element. Okay, so I'll just say here input. Okay, and we have to close everything whenever we are working with the react. Okay, so we have to say here input. I'll give the type attribute as well. I'm sorry guys, okay, for the disturbance. Okay, so let me just pause the video for a few seconds. Okay, okay, so guys, now we have to give here the type attribute as well. I'll say here type equal to say here search. Okay, and give here the value also. I'll give here the value equal to open and closing curly braces, and instead of a value we have to give here this query, okay, as a value. So paste it here. So we will say here on change attribute also. I'll say here on change, I'll say here equal to like this. Okay, and I'm gonna use here the anonymous for fat array function. We will say here equal to open and closing curly braces like this. Okay, and we will say here use this set query. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. We will say here event, okay, dot target, event dot target dot value. Okay, so guys, the moment we will say here event dot target dot value, we are gonna refer to this input field only. Okay, we are gonna refer to this input field only. So I'll give here the class name also. I'll say here class name equal to, I'll give here the form. Okay, form control, I'll give here p2 also, padding 2. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now I'm gonna create here here the button also. Okay, below this input field. Okay, so now I'm gonna create the button as well. So just say here button. Okay, button, and close this button very quickly, and just give here search uh, search recipe. Okay, so now this is it. We will give the class name also to this button. Okay, I'll say here class name equal to btn. Okay, I'll say here warning. Okay, say warning, we can give anything, it is up to us. Okay, and here I am gonna define here, we have to define here one method name. Okay, so later on I'll define the method name also. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser how it is gonna. So let me just give here the p2 also, because we have given here p2 to this input field, so we have to ideally give here the p2 to this button as well. Okay, which means padding 2. So save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now we can see here we got the input field, but what is the wrong with this okay button. Okay, so come here class name btn. Okay, so btn. Okay, so now we have to give the placeholder as well to this input field. I'll say here placeholder equal to please, okay, enter recipe, okay, or meals name. Okay, so this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now we can see here the placeholder please enter recipe or meals name, and we can see the button also search recipe. Okay, but as of now whenever we will click on this button, nothing is gonna happen. Okay, so let me just define here one method name also. I'll define the method name on click of this button. So I'll say here on click. Okay, on click equal to, I'll use here this. Okay, I'll just say here, so we have to define here one method name. I'll say here handle. Okay, search here handle search. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to define this method name also, handle search. Okay, so copy this handle search method name from here, and above this return statement we are gonna define it now. Okay, I'm sorry. So for this demo, let me just alert something. Whenever user will click on this button, so I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, like this. So close this. So I'll just alert the string whatever user is gonna enter. Okay, as of now for this demo. Okay, so we will just copy this. Okay, set query and just paste it here. Okay, inside this let's just hope it will alert. Okay, so copy this. Okay, because you can see here this query. Okay, this query is now linked with this input field value. Okay, so copy this query from here and just paste it inside it. Okay, not entire thing, copy from here only query and just paste it here. Okay, and guys, now just save the file and try to see the output first. Okay, how it is gonna behave. Okay, so put anything. Okay, and now hit this button, search recipe. So we can see here we got the issue, I don't know, but let it be. We can just console.log. Okay, I hope it is not gonna alert. So we will just say here console dot log. Okay, console.log, and as of now we can see. Okay, let me just control Z. Okay, so control Z. Okay, let me just remove this set query state. Okay, updater function, and now save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, and put anything, hit this button. Okay, so let me just console it log. Okay, I hope we have used here the okay type search. Okay, so this would be the issue, I guess. So I'll say here console. Okay, console dot log. Okay, and just say here this query. Okay, so just save it here and save the file, have a look in the browser. First open the developer tool. Okay, go to the console, and we can see here just you can see we got the issue expected on click. Okay, so I hope guys, again we have the spelling mistake. Okay, so on click. Okay, click equal to handle search. Okay, handle search. So const handle search. Okay, so guys, let me just revert it back to input type. Okay, text. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser, and still we can see here on click listener to be a function, instead got a string type. Okay, so it should be of okay, guys, we can see here I have given here the codes. Okay, I have given here the double code. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. So control Z each and everything. Okay, control Z each and everything very quickly. Okay, so control Z. Okay, so remove this codes from here. Okay, so just save the file, have a look now in the browser, and now put anything. Now hit this button, search recipe. So see, boom guys, you can see here undefined. Okay, we can see here undefined because we have to use here only this query. Okay, so now just remove this, save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, put anything, hit this button, search recipe. So see this text we got here. Okay, because it is a alert function, so it is not gonna be updated. Okay, because we are alerting here the alert. Okay, and we are updating the things. Okay, so it won't work. Okay, so now we can see here the anything whatever we will enter. Okay, so just hit this. Okay, so we can see here the same text, an awesome and dynamic recipe search app using React.js. Click OK. So now this is working. Okay, so now just first of all guys, let me just say here I want to apply the hit enter functionality also to this input field. Okay, so for this we have to say here I'm gonna say here on. Okay, on key down. Okay, on key down like a method I'm gonna define. Okay, so we will say here equal to open and closing braces. Again I'm gonna give here the anonymous fat array function like this. We will say here equal to I'm gonna use here the filter function again. So we will say here like this. Okay, so just open this again. I'm gonna check here if enter button is pressed or not. Okay, using the if condition. Okay, so we will say here this event object. Okay, so this dot key. Okay, equal to. I would just check here the enter button. Okay, so we will say here enter. If this is the case, we would say here we would just use this okay method name only. Okay, just copy this handle search. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, so close this. Now this is it. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. So just copy this and paste it here, and now hit enter. Okay, it won't work I guess because this is the search input field. Okay, this is a search input field. Okay, I hope we have to revert it back to the normal text. Okay, input field. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so copy this, paste it here, and now hit enter. So it's not working, this is working, so hit enter. So let me just check. Okay, on key would be capital, k would be capital. Okay, so now just paste it, hit enter. So see, boom guys, you can see here, we can see the alert on click of this button also, and on click of this button also. Okay, so hit enter. See, it's awesome. We can see the alert, so close this. Okay, so let me just make it okay search only, because okay, it is gonna here one close, I mean I'm sorry, it is gonna give here one icon also, just to remove the entire text. Okay, so just click this, we can say it's blank. Okay, so that's why we should use here the input type search. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now first of all we are gonna create here this component. Okay, this suggestion component. Okay, so just come to the code now, and I'm gonna create here one custom component. I'll say here const. Okay, I'll say here const, I'll just say here suggestions. Okay, I'll say here suggestions. Okay, give equal to, and give open and closing parenthesis. I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. Okay, so just close this. It is gonna return all the things, this component. I'll say here return. Okay, and just close this, give here the parent div. Okay, so just give here div, give the class name also. Close this div, I'll give the class name. Okay, I'll give the class name now. So we will just give here the class name. Okay, I'll say here deflex. Okay, I'll say here justify content center. I'll say here align item, say here baseline or center. Okay, I'll just give here the margin top. Okay, a 4, margin bottom also I'll give here 4. Okay, and I'll just say here give flex column. Okay, open this. Okay, and guys, now we are gonna define here one props also. So we have to define here one props also. I'll say here handle. Okay, handle. Okay, I'll say here click, this is it. Okay, and now we are gonna define here one div inside this div very quickly. I'll say here, I'll give the class name also. I'll say here margin top 3, margin bottom also 3. So just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'll just create here one h1 element. I'll say here h1, I'll give the class name also. I'll say here like this. Okay, and I'll just give here h2, I'll give here text center. Close this h1 element very quickly, and I would just give here some random text. Okay, let me just copy it from the example only. So copy it from here and just to paste it here. This is it. Okay, and guys, now here we are gonna create here one array. Okay, suggestions array. Okay, so guys, we can see here egg, salad, chicken, burger, matar paneer, fish pie, omelette, and so on and so forth. We can give any kind of text. Okay, this is just a suggestions. Okay, our app is not, okay guys, our app is not based on these suggestions at all. our app is so vast, our app is so dynamic. We can search any recipe, we can search any food, we can search with the any meals as well. Okay, this is just a simple search suggestion for the user to get them started. Okay, this is it. So we are gonna create here one array. I'll say here const, I will just give here the uh, suggestions. Okay, like this. Okay, equal to, I'm gonna create here one array. So close this. I'll just do like this very quickly. Okay, so close this is it, I hope. Okay, so we will just give here egg. Okay, egg, and we'll just give here we can say here salad. Okay, and we will give here, just give me guys 2 seconds. Okay, let me just pause the video. So I'm very sorry guys for the disturbance. Okay, for the like my sister is calling me. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so guys, now let's just continue with the coding part. Okay, so now I'll say here chicken. I'll just give here burger. Okay, I'll just give here matar paneer. Okay, matar paneer. I'll give here fish. Okay, fish pie. Okay, I'll just say here uh, we can say here biryani as well. Okay, so biryani, we can say here cake as well. We can see here, let me just copy the, very sorry, so let me just copy this omelette. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now this is the some search suggestion string. Okay, and I have created here one array. So this is it. Okay, so now we are gonna loop through this suggestions array. So copy this, and below this h1 I'm gonna create here one div now. So we will just say here class name equal to, just close this div, and we'll just give here the class name margin top 3, margin bottom 3, and just open this div. Okay, and okay, so now we will just say here I'm gonna use here open and closing curly braces. So paste this suggestions. I'll say here I'm gonna use here the map run. Okay, I'm gonna use here the map. Okay, so we will just say here map. I'm gonna use here the fat array function. I'll say here item. Okay, I'm gonna use here this fat array function. So just open and closing curly braces, or we can say the parenthesis as well. Okay, so say here I'm gonna create here one span element as well. I'll say here span. So close this span very quickly. So just give the key attribute as well, like this. Okay, so we will just give here the index also. So let's just give here I can give here the item, or we can give here the index. Okay, although we can see here the item is only unique or different. Okay, we can give the item as well. So give this item and paste it here. So this is it. Okay, and now let me just give the class name also. So I'll just give the class name as a, okay, search. Okay, I can say here text pill. Okay, so it is a kind of, okay, we can see here it is a kind of, okay, like a pill. Okay, like a tablet. Okay, we can say here yeah, like a tablet. Okay, so I've given the class text pill. Okay, so now just this. Okay, so we have to say here open and closing curly braces. So copy this item and just paste it here, and I hope guys what I have done here. Okay, because I have been explaining you about the map method. Okay, since a long time, and I hope you know now what is I am doing here. This is the map method, and it will loop through this suggestions array of string. Okay, it is the array of string, and it has got some elements also, also some item also, and this item will be now responsible, guys. This item now will be responsible for looping through every item inside this suggestions, okay, array of a string. Like it will loop through egg, it will loop through salad, it will loop through chicken, it will loop through burger, it will loop through matar paneer, it it will look through fish, biryani, cake, and omelette, and we will just see the okay, we will just see this, okay, string egg, salad, chicken. If we want, we can show the I mean the index also. I can just show the index for your confidence. So just say here, I will remove this later on. I'll say here index. Okay, so save the file. So guys, now this is it. Okay, so just copy this, okay, component name suggestions from here, and we have to call it inside our parent component. Okay, here below this I'm gonna call it. So just okay, like this. Okay, close this, and you can see here it has got, okay, one prop also, which says handle, okay, click. Okay, so we will just say here on click for this span element. So let's just open like this. It is quite easy in this way. Okay, so just open this, and now we will say here on click equal to, I'll give here, I'm gonna run here the fat arrow function, anonymous fat arrow function. So it will be only called whenever this button is gonna be clicked. Okay guys, by defining this anonymous fat arrow function, we are gonna we are gonna tell that run only, okay, run only this method whenever this span element is being clicked. Okay, and don't try to run as soon as our component is mounted, our page is ready. Okay, no, run only whenever this span element is clicked. Okay, and don't run whenever or as soon as our component is mounted. No, don't do that. So for this we will just say here, I'm going to define here one function name also. I'll say here handle. Okay, handle, I'll say here handle click. Okay, and I'll just pass this object, this item array, okay, entirely to this handle click method. Okay, so now just copy this. Okay, and we have to now define this handle click. Okay, so copy this, okay, handle click from here prop name, and just say here paste it. I'll just say here equal to, I'll say here I am gonna define here one method name. I'll just say here handle, okay, handle search. Okay, this is it. So now just copy this handle search method name. Okay, it is already here, so we can give here a 2. Okay, I don't remember anything, so I don't remember anything guys. Okay, whatever like I feel, I guys just say it. Okay, if it is slip of tongue, if my pronunciation is little weird, if my pronunciation is a little bizarre, okay, little, okay, different. Okay, but that's cool, because I don't remember anything, I don't have any notes in front of me. Whatever I feel, I just say it, okay, to you, and just try to explain you the things, okay, in details. Okay, so copy this handle search to, and below this I'm gonna define it. I'll say here const like this, paste it here, give equal to, and you can see here guys. Okay, I'm gonna define here the fat arrow function again, close this. Okay, and guys, you can see here it has taken one in like parent, like I mean what can I say, parameter also item. Okay, so we will just say here, okay, we are gonna just allot the things. Okay, so we have to give here this item, so copy it from here and just paste it here. So whenever it is gonna be clicked, okay, so let me just see. Okay, so we have to define the CSS classes also. So as of now, just say here alert. Okay, and we are gonna alert the item on which user will click. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So click on the egg, you can see here egg is now alerted. Click on salad, you can see salad, you can see here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the array index. Okay, you can see here omelette is alerted. Click on cake, cake is alerted. Okay, click on biryani, we can see the alert in the biryani in the alert. Okay, click on fish, we can see the fish pie on the alert. Okay, so this is it. We have to now make it exactly look like this. So guys, for this I'm gonna copy this CSS. Okay, because here we are learning the react.js. Okay, so let's just remove this index. I told you we don't require this. Remove it from here, or let it be here only. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one script again, I mean style sheet in the head section only. So now guys, let me just copy the CSS from the example. Okay, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so copy this from here to pill container to this. Okay, so copy this css property from here and just paste it here. Okay, so okay guys, you can see here this is just a simple css. Okay, you can just pause the video and you can have a look. Okay, so you can see here text pill. Okay, this class. Okay, this class text pill. Okay, so we can see here I have given the background color border radius 30 px, cursor pointer, padding is this, margin is this, display inline block, text align center, font size is this, box shadow is this, and transition is this. And on hover I have just scale y, okay, up to -3 px, and this is the box shadow. Okay, so this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so see, boom guys, we can see here it is the same. Okay, so we have to bring it to the center. Okay, we have to bring it to the center, so let's just bring to the center. Okay, so we will just say here that I'll just say here text justify content center, align item also, align items center, align item center, and we can say here the text align also center. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, no issue. So we will say here like this. Okay, this is the div. Okay, give here justify content center, align items also center. Save the file, have a look in the browser. No, what is the issue? Let me just go to the example and let me just copy this. Okay, pill container and just paste it here. Okay, and let me just bring it in a same line and copy this. Okay, container pill container class from here, and just you can give either here. So paste it, save the file, have a look in the browser. No, cut it from here and just paste on this div. So yeah, so now it's here. Okay, but we can see here so we can see exactly like this. Okay, so chicken salad, I mean egg salad, chicken burger, matar paneer, fish pie, biryani, cake, and omelette. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now just hit this egg. We can see here egg, click OK. Salad, we can see the salad, click chicken, we can see the chicken, click burger. Okay, so we can see the burger, click omelette, we can see omelette, click cake, so cake, click biryani. Okay, what is this? Okay, click fish pie. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to write our the code to fetch the API from this the mail DB. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna write the code. Okay, for the functionality for the you can see here for this feature, for this functionality we have to write the code also. So guys, now we are gonna write the code. So guys, just be very calm, very patient, and very careful as well. Okay, because now we are gonna write the code. Okay, so guys, now we have to write here one code also. Okay, so I will just create here one function. So we will just okay, so inside this we will just say here handle search. Okay, so let me just define this method handle search. Okay, so come here, and now we will just remove this alert, and now let me just create here first of all I'm gonna create here okay async await okay function. Okay, so now I'm gonna make this handle search in a async await okay mechanism. Okay, so now we will just say here async. Okay, to make, and now we have to give here the this okay query, because we are using this query only. So copy this query from here and just give it as a parameter to this function. Okay, so now this is it. So we will just say here I'm gonna use here the first of all we are gonna check here. So I'll say here condition. Okay, and now we will say here if. Okay, so we will just say here this query we have already given the if. Okay, so just paste it here, and we will just trim all the white spaces from the left and right side of the string. Okay, if it is equal to blank, okay, or empty, okay, we will just return. Okay, we will say here return. Okay, don't do anything, just return. Okay, and exit. Okay, if this is not the case, okay, if this is not the case, so now we are gonna use here the javascript fetch method. Okay, I'll say here fetch like this. Okay, and now let me just copy the so first of all let me just okay, mm, define here one. Okay, const. Okay, I'll say here I can define the const also. We can give anything, entire url as well. I'll say here url equal to, let me just copy the url from here, from the example only. So copy this url. Okay, so copy it from here and just to paste it here, make it backtick. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, so guys, in this way, okay, so guys, backtick is gonna allow us, okay, to concatenate the okay, I mean, what can I say, const or the variable. Okay, as well, and we can make this link, dynamic link. Okay, which allow us to search the recipe based on this query string. Okay, whatever user will enter inside this input field. Okay, so based on this we have to make it this query as well. You can see here, let's just come to the API. So come to the home only, so go to the API. You can see here, this is the search meal by name. Okay, we can search the meal or the recipe by its name only. So we have to define a query like this. Okay, so you can see here, this is the query. Okay, this is the query, recipe name, meals name, or the food name. Okay, here also we have to make it dynamic, so that's why I have given here literal string. Okay, and I have used this query to make this url a dynamic url. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so below the okay, I am not gonna so say here. So let's just say here. Okay, first of all let's just use this. Okay, uh, set loading state updater function, and we have to make it. Okay, first of all we have to make it true. Okay, as long as nothing is there in the search input field, we will make it. Okay, so we have to make it true. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so remove this fetch. Okay, we can use here the try catch block. Okay, to handle the http request and to handle the http error as well. Okay, very gracefully and very dynamically and very efficiently as well. Okay, so guys, always try to use the try catch block. Okay, and it has got another block called finally. Okay, so here we will use the finally block as well. Okay, so I'm gonna say here I'm gonna use here the try catch block. Okay, so try open and closing curly braces. Okay, so open this, and now we will just say here I'm gonna okay, you can see here I have used the async await keyword. Okay, so we have to wait for the response. Okay, so we have to wait for the response also. So I'll say here const, I'll say here response. Okay, a response equal to, I'll say here JSON. Okay, I'll say here await. Okay, await, and we will say here. Okay, we'll just say here await, and I'll just use here the fetch method, and I'll just pass this. Okay, where is the URL? So copy this URL and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, now okay guys, now this line will give us one promise. Okay guys, now this line will give us one promise. Okay, and if our promise is resolved, okay, if guys our promise is resolved, okay, so then only we will get the another promise in the form of javascript object, which will be in the form of JSON object on the server. And by using the JSON dot parse, okay, we would okay parse the JSON data in our JavaScript object. Okay, so here we are gonna check also if everything is okay. Okay, so I'll say here if we will say here negation. Okay, we will say here negation of this response, negation of this response dot okay. okay. If everything is okay, if everything is okay, the control will not come to this if block. If there is any issue, there is any error, the control will come to this if block, and it will seize the it will seize the execution, and execution will stop. Okay, we will see the error. Okay, so I will just say here, I'll just throw here one new error. Okay, so I'll say here throw new error. Okay, like this. Close this. I'm gonna use here the backtick again. Okay, so I don't have to concatenate. Okay, we can write the variable name also inside this backtick. Okay, so we don't have to use the single or double quotes. Okay, we can use the backtick. Okay, and it will allow us to dynamically, okay, write anything. It will allow us to write a multi-line, okay, dynamic string with the variables value as well. Okay, so that's why we use the backtick. Okay, so we will say here http error. Okay, http error. Okay, so just say here http error, give exclamation mark. I'll say here error. Okay, I'll say here error status, error status. Okay, give a space, give colon. I will just show the all the response. Okay, so open and closing curly braces, we have to say here dollar sign and open and closing curly braces, and this is known as the string literal. Okay, so it allows us to show the variable or the const value inside the string without the need of concatenation. Okay, so we don't have to concatenate at all. Okay, we can use the backtick. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will just say here response. Okay, this response dot status. Okay, to show the status. Okay, what is the status of 4 not 4 500. Okay, something like that. Okay, so guys, this is the best approach. Okay, this is the best practice. Okay guys, whatever code we have to test, okay, guys. Okay, whatever code we have to test, we have to write it inside the try block. Okay, and if everything wrong happen, we would catch this error in the catch block. Okay, and we will execute the finally block as well. Okay, so now let me just console log here the response for you. I want to show you something. What is the response? Okay, text all about. Okay, I'm talking. Okay, I'll say here console.log, and I'll just say here this response. Okay, so close this. Okay, so first of all, let me just define here the catch block as well. So catch block. Okay, and it is gonna, I'm gonna run here the filter function like this. Okay, I'll just catch the error. Okay, which is gonna thrown by this f block. Okay, by this f block which is inside the try block. Okay, so we will catch that error inside the catch block. Okay, like say here I'm gonna define the error object only. So I'll use here the filter function. Okay, so open this. I'll just say here. Okay, catch error. So okay, so we can say here console dot log. We can say here console dot log. We can say here uh, nothing, nothing found. Okay, and we can set the error also using this set error state updater function. So copy it from here and just say here, we can just say here, let me just copy the, what is the issue guys, why it is gonna show the error. Okay, why it is showing the red mark. Okay, so catch catch. Okay, so catch. So just remove this. Okay, so now, so what is the issue? Okay, is there a spelling mistake? I don't think there is any spelling mistake. Okay, so catch, okay, error, and I have defined here. Let's just remove this. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so we can define the like fat error function as well. Okay, so okay, so let it be. Okay, as of now, so now let me just copy the text from the example. Okay, so copy this text from here, and just copy it from here, and just paste it here. Okay, inside this, okay, we are gonna set, okay, we are gonna set this error state variable using this set error state updater function. Okay, and we will say here fail to fetch recipes, please try again later. Okay, and we will just show the search query also what user has searched. Okay, so let me just use here the backtick again. Okay, so I'll use here the backtick. Okay, and we will just say here dollar sign open and closing like curly braces, and we will just copy this query and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'm sorry. Okay, so now let me just guys run the finally blog as well. Okay, so I'll say here finally. Okay, finally like this. Okay, so I'll just run this like this. I'll just say here set. Okay, so copy this set error from here and just paste it here, and we will just say here because everything is okay, everything is fine, so we will just say here set error. Okay, nothing, and we will just set here this set loading also to false. Okay, so paste it here like this. Okay, and close this, and we will just say here false. Okay, so false, this is it. Okay, so let me just show you the response. Okay, what we are gonna get the response. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so come here, this is our code. Go to the developer tools, open the console. Okay, and try to hit this salad. So hit here egg, hit enter. Okay, we can see here we got the issue which says okay type error, cannot read the properties of undefined trim. Okay, so let's just come here, and it can't. Okay, so trim handle search handle search. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue. uh, so query dot trim. Okay, so it says okay, so we have to write, I guess, entire things also, then only we will get the response. Okay, so let me just write here the entire things also. So now we are going to write here another if block. Okay, so we will just say here if. Okay, we are gonna, okay, now we are gonna say here const. Okay, so now we will get the data. Okay, like this we will say here await. Okay, we will say here await, and now we will say here response. Okay, response dot json. Okay, the data will be on the server in the form of json only, but we have to pass it, okay, back into the javascript object. Okay, so okay, so this is what we are gonna do. Okay, using this. Okay, const data await. Okay, response dot json. So we will get the response in the json format, but here we are converting it. Okay, we are just using the await keyword just to wait for the data being loaded, being fetched. Okay, on our app. Okay, so until unless, okay, until and unless the code execution will be paused. Okay, the code the code execution will be stopped. Okay, and once it is resolved, okay, we can see the data. Okay, and it will be in the form of, okay, it will be in the form of javascript, okay, object. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna check here if data is not there. We will say here data dot okay, we will say here data dot meals. Okay, you can see here data dot meals. Okay, so now if this is the case, we will say here set error. We will say here set error, and I'll say here no recipe, no recipes found. no recipes found for the given, okay, for the given search, okay, term, okay, for the search term. And we will just show the I mean the query also. The I can let me, I'm just guys used to use the single or double quotes only, okay. So let me just say here dollar sign also, and we'll just show the query as well, whatever user has searched, okay. So copy it and paste it here. This is it, okay. And just now below this I'll just say here the set, okay, set recipes, okay. These are set recipes, okay. These are set recipes state updater function, and we will again set it to blank or the empty array. So this is it, okay. So this is it, again blank or the empty array. So this is it, okay. If we got the response, okay, we got the mails, so we will say here else, okay. And now we will just use this, okay, set recipes, and just we would set here with this, okay, with this, okay, data data dot meals. We will say here data, this data dot meals, okay, because the data is enclosed, is nested inside this meals, okay. I have showed you also, so let me just show you one more time, okay. So close this, let me just show you one more time. So come here and click this, okay, click this, just to click this. You can see here the data is nested, okay, inside this meals array, okay. You can see here guys, the data is nested inside this meals array, okay, inside this meals array, okay. So we have to say here, we have to say here data dot meals, okay. So now our code will work, I guess. So save the file, have a look in the browser, and now just hit this egg. Hit here. uh, so we got the issue. It says cannot read properties of undefined trim, okay. So come to this app recipe. You can see here the state is being populated, okay. You can see here egg, okay. Search here anything, you can see the same string here also. Click on the burger, okay. So now we have to, okay, so we have to call this method, okay, handle search inside this, okay, inside this this handle search too, okay. So just to say here, now we have to give here this item as well, okay. So paste it here. So close this, and now save the file, have a look in the browser, and now hit this egg. You can see we got the response, okay. So see guys, we got the response, okay. You can see here guys, we got the response dot you can see okay is true, response dot status is now 200, okay, which means we are getting our data, okay. So which means guys, we are getting our data. You can click on the salad, okay. So you can see here we got the response with the salad, okay. So we have to look through, guys. We are getting our data. You can see here our data is here, okay. You can see we got the response, okay. You can see response dot body, response body used, okay. Headers, okay, true, redirected, false, status is 200, and type is course, okay. So guys, we are getting our data. That's cool. So now just come to the code, and we have to loop through this, okay, recipes, okay, array, because using this set recipes state updater function, we are gonna update these recipes. So we have to look through this recipes only. So copy this recipes and just come here. So now we are gonna do that, okay. And here we are gonna do that, okay. So now below this I'm gonna do it, okay. Below this component I'm gonna do it, okay. I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So create a div, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a row, okay. I'll give the justify content as a center. Close this div, okay. And now I am gonna create here I'm gonna use here the react, okay, conditional rendering, Okay, so we are gonna use here the React conditional rendering, and we will check here with this loader. Okay, with this loading. Okay, so copy this loading state variable from here, and just come here guys. Here I'll say here we would come here, say here loading. Okay, loading. I'll just check here if this is the case. I'm gonna use here the spread operator. We can say here ternary operator as well. Okay, we can say here this is the ternary operator. Okay, so we are gonna use here the ternary operator to check it. Okay, so we will just say here if this is the case. Okay, so we are gonna use here some we are gonna create here some array on the fly. Okay, dynamically we will create here one array for the loader. Okay, let me just show you for this loader. Okay, you can see here this okay skeleton loader. We are gonna create here some array. Okay, on the fly. Okay, you can see here this skeleton loader. So now just come to the code, and we will say here like this, open and closing parenthesis, and now open this, and now we will just say here I'm gonna use here the method array from. Okay, array dot from. Okay, and this is it. Okay, just define here the array length also. So we will say here length colon. I'll just give here, as of now, give here 6. Okay, this is the length of the array. Okay, okay, this is the length of the array. Okay, we can make it dynamic as well, but as of now let's just be it. Okay, I'm gonna use here the map method over this array. I'm gonna use here the so first I mean the element of this array is not important, only the index is needed for here. So I'll use this index. Okay, I'll use this flat array function as well here, like this. Okay, and just open this, and we will just say here I'm gonna just create here a couple of divs inside. Okay, so create a div, give the class. Okay, so say here I'll say here call md3, call lg also, lg also 3. Okay, and I'll give the margin also, give top 3. Okay, or we can give anything, give 3 4. Okay, I'll give the key attribute also, like this. Okay, only index, because we only need the index. Okay, for the react. Okay, I'll say here index. Okay guys, here we can give anything. Okay, any a string, any I mean character. Okay, but here it is not needed. Okay, so I have given here this parameter as a okay underscore as a parameter. Okay, as a first parameter. Okay, we can give anything. Okay, no issue at all. So close this div. Okay, and open this div now, and we will just create here another div. I'm going to define here another div. So say here class name, give here equal to width. I'll give you 100. Okay, and I'll just give the another class as a card. Okay, so open this div, and inside this div I'm going to define here couple of divs as well. Okay, so I'll say here I'm going to create here another div. Okay, give the class name also. I'll just close this div, and just give the class name as a, I'll say here skeleton. Okay, I'll say here skeleton image. Okay, so it is gonna mimic the image. Okay guys, this skeleton image, okay, is gonna mimic the type of image. Okay, it will give you the feel that image is being loaded, that image is being fetched. Okay, let me just show you one more time. Go to the example and hit it. Okay, and try to pay focus. Okay, here. Okay, so hit the matar paneer. You can see here image is being loaded. You can see a salad. Okay, you can see here it is gonna mimic the loading of the image, loading of the text, loading of the buttons as well. Okay, so come to the code now, and now I'm going to define here another couple of divs also. I will just define here div. I'll just give the class name also card. Okay, card. So close this div very quickly, and inside this card I'm going to define here a couple of divs. Okay, so just div. Okay, and say here div, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a skeleton. So a skeleton is the common class, and I'll give here skeleton text also. So close this div, and just copy this div. Okay, and paste it couple of times. Paste it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just create the button as well. Okay, So let me just copy the one thing from here. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry guys for this. Okay, so copy this, okay, and just paste it here. Okay, and inside this card only we would paste it here, and it is gonna mimic the type of button. Okay, so we don't need, okay, this a anchor tag. So close this div. Okay, this div. Okay, close this div. Okay, so just remove this, we don't require this. Okay, and I just want to give you the feel of type of button. Okay, the button is being loaded. Okay, like we can see here, we have got here two buttons also. Click chicken. Okay, so we can see here we got the two buttons also. Watch on YouTube and see details, okay, on each and every recipe card. Okay, so we are gonna mimic this button also. Okay, so come to the code now. Of course we will have error because okay, so remove this. Okay, on click method name from here, we don't need this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so give here the copy this class name from here only, and just give here this. Okay, so close this. Okay, and just remove this text, we don't need any text, okay, at all. Okay, so text, and just if we want we can give the div only, so don't needed button here. Okay, it is not an actual element. Okay, so we can give only a div. Okay, so remove this text from here also, and just remove this class and give the this class. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, let me just guys copy the css property, css classes from the example only, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, I am doing this, okay, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so come here and come to this css part very quickly and copy this, okay, classes from here to here, and just paste it here. Okay, I hope you will understand, because we are not gonna learn here css. We are gonna save a little bit of time only. Okay, so this is just a simple css property. Okay, you can just pause the video, you can just go through it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so here is the animation. Okay, and here we have defined the animation. Okay, pulse. Okay, 0%, 50%, and 100% opacity this, and opacity this. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is just a css class. Okay, css property only, and not any major css. Okay, it is not gonna impact the css. Okay, so here we are learning the react. Okay, so we have to be very mindful about the css. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, if this is not the case, we are gonna say here the colon as well. Okay, so colon, we are gonna check here if anything is there inside this recipes state variable. So copy this state variable recipes from here, and just say here dot length. Okay, because it is an array, it must have the length property. So we are gonna check here if it is greater than 0. Okay, if it is greater than 0, we would again create here another ternary operator like this. Okay, so like this, open and closing parenthesis, like this, open this, and now we are gonna again check here with this recipes. Okay, with this recipes, we will say here recipes. Okay, dot we are gonna now run the map method. Okay, on this recipe state variable, which is now an object. Okay, which is now an array of object. Okay, okay, I hope you are getting me. Okay, so now we are gonna run here map method on this. I'll just say here, I'll say here recipe. Okay, recipe, like this. I'll give the index also. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so I'll just use here the fat arrow function like this. Okay, give open and closing parenthesis. This is it. So open this, and this is it. Create a div here. I'll create a div. So give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a call lg3, call md, call md3, give margin top 3, give margin bottom also 3, okay, 3, and just give here the okay, just give here the I can give another class. Let me just give it. Okay, this is it. Okay, let it be. If it is needed, I can give the class anytime. I'll give the key attribute as well, equal to not double quotes. Okay, we have to give this. Okay, recipe, only give here the index. Okay, or we can give the recipe. Okay, say here recipe dot. Okay, I can give here the meals. Okay, because meals is the unique, okay, identifier. So we can give anything. Close this div. Okay, so open this div. Okay, so open this div, and inside this div we have to create here another div. Okay, so create a div, give the class name. I'll say here, so first of all just close this div. Okay, I'll just say here uh, card. Okay, card class. I'll give here at 100%. Okay, later on we will make this class dynamic. Okay, so just open this div. Okay, and now inside this div I'm gonna create here h5 element. Okay, h5 element, and just close this, give the class name also h5 only. I'll say here h5. Okay, I'm sorry, so say here open and closing curly braces like this. Okay, and I'll just show this recipe. Okay, this recipe dot I'll just say here str. Okay, so I'll say here str meals. Okay, meal. Okay, let me just very quickly first close this. Okay, so here we have opened it. Okay, and we have to give here the colon, and I'm gonna just close this. Okay, like this. Okay, and now we have to create here one h2 element also. So I'll create here one h2. Close this h2, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a text center. I'll give here h2 only, and we will just define here some text. Okay, I'll say here, I'll define here some text. So let me just give here the alert. Okay, alert. I'll give the alert secondary. This is it. I'll give here the width of only 70%. Okay, and this is it. Okay, we can say here no recipe. Okay, no recipe found. Okay, no recipe found. Okay, try 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 searching. Okay, something else. Okay, something else, give comma or point. This is it. Okay, so now okay, below this div. Okay, below this div I'll show the error also if nothing is found. Okay, if a user is gonna give any random, okay, text, okay, like this. Okay, we will show this error also. Okay, so come to the code now. We will say here if error is defined. Okay, we will say here if error is defined. Okay, if this error state variable is defined. Okay, this error state variable is defined. Okay, so if this is the case, we can say here this. Okay, we will say here, I'm gonna say here h2. Close this h2. I'll give the class name also as a text center. I'll give here the h2 class also, and just paste it this text. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now guys, just save the file, and let me just copy the data. Let me just console the data. I want to show you all the data as well. Okay, I'll say here console dot log. Okay, and I'll just paste this data. Okay, so paste it here. So guys, now just save the file. Okay, and have a look in the browser first how it is gonna behave. Okay, go to the developer tools. Okay, and now we can see here, just come here, hit the search suggestion egg. Okay, so guys, we can see here we got the array. Okay, you can see here inside the meals only. Okay, inside the meals only we can see here data.mills. Okay, and we got the array, so the product name is also shown here. Okay, so we are getting our product. Okay, so we got the one issue also. It says each child in a list should have a unique key prop. Okay, so 199. Okay, 199. What is the issue on 199? So 199, here is the 199. So I have given guys each and everything. So where is the key? Okay, so key give here. Is there any id? Is there any id? So is there any id? Okay, you can see here meal id. So we can use this meal id. Okay, we can use this meal id. Okay, you can see here meal id, meal id, meal id, meal okay, id meal id meal id meal. Okay, and it is unique. Okay, it is unique. Okay, so we can use this id meal. Okay, so come here, and instead of this, okay, recipe dot meals, we can give here this. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. I hope this will resolve the issue. So hit salad. Yeah, now we don't have any issue. Hit Matar Paneer. Okay, so now we don't have any issue at all, and we are getting the response also. So open this array. Okay, and we can see here what it is gonna return. So it will be easy. So for the image, I want to show the image. Okay, you can see here str meal thumb. Okay, so guys, you can see here str source. Okay, str tag. Okay, curry vegetarian. Okay, str YouTube link is this. Okay, and this str meal is Matar Paneer. Okay, so we are going to use this str meal thumb to show the what can I say, image. Okay, like here this image. Okay, like this image. Okay, you can see this image, this image. Okay, this image. Okay, and I hope our loading is also working here. You can see guys, our loading skeleton is doing fine, is doing great. Okay, you can see our loading skeleton is doing great. So we can give here the padding as well. Okay, we can give here the padding. Okay, so give here padding of 3. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so we can see the yeah, our code is doing great. So let me just show the image also. So we will show the we will show this image. Okay, name, category, cuisine. Okay, watch on YouTube link also, and we will define a button called see details. Whenever user will click this button, we will show all the details in the nice and dynamic sweet alert to pop up. Okay, so close this, come to the code now very quickly. Our code is doing great, and if it just hit anything from here, I'll say here cake. Okay, and hit enter. We got the issue whenever we are clicking the button, or our input field is not doing great. Okay, it says here that cannot read property of trim. Okay, cannot read property of query dot trim. Okay, so let me just I will rectify it later on, don't worry. Don't worry about anything. I'll say here query. Okay, this query dot trim. Okay, if it is blank, we will just say here return. Okay, we will just rectify first, just resolve this issue. Okay, so here we will show here the now all the things. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one p tag also. I'll say here p, close this p very quickly. I'll give the class name also equal to, I'll say here card. Okay, title. Okay, card title, and we will say here like this. Okay, we will say here recipe, recipe dot str. Okay, str. Okay, and we will just say here category, category. Okay, category. Okay, and now we will just say here I'm gonna create here another p element. Okay, I am gonna create here another p element. Okay, so p, just say give the class name also. I'll say here class name equal to, I'll say here uh, what class I should give here. mm, give here only card title only. This is it. Say here, we will say here recipe, recipe dot, I'll say here str, I'll say here str, area. Okay, area. So we will say here, here is the name, meal name, and here is the, I'll create here one strong element also, strong. Okay, close this strong very quickly. I'll give here the, we will say here the category. Okay, category, like this, and just copy this str from here, give little bit of space also, and just paste it here also. So now just change this to, I'll say here cuisine. Okay, so okay, cuisine. Okay, this is it. Give a little bit of space also. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first how it looks like. Okay, so hit this search string egg. So we can see here the name also. Let me just give here some padding also. I'll say here p3. Now save the file, have a look in the browser, hit the burger. Okay, so we can see here like this. Okay, okay, so just now below this, okay, I'm gonna now define the one img element. Okay, inside this card only I'm gonna define here one img element. Okay, so I'll say here img. Okay, I'll give the container div first. Okay, I'll say here class name equal to, just close this div very quickly, and I'll say here I mean overflow. Okay, overflow, overflow hidden. Okay, hidden, give this same class over here, this card class also. I'll say here overflow hidden. Okay, so this is it. And okay, open this div, and I'm gonna create here one img element to show the image. I'll say here src. Okay, src, and like this we have to say here recipe. We have to say here recipe dot img. Okay, I'll say here recipe dot img. Okay, meal. Okay, str, say here str meal. Okay, this is it. So close this. I'll give the class name also. I'll say here img fluid. I'll say here thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail, and I'll give the alt attribute also as the only this img name only. Okay, so I'll just copy this str meal. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, and now we have to show the thumbnail. We'll see here str. Okay, str meal. Okay, str meal thumb. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now hit this chicken. See, boom guys, we can see here. So let me just remove this padding from here, remove this padding from here, and just create here another div. Okay, enclose this entire things inside a div. Okay, like this, and give the class name like this, paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, and now just hit this fish pie. Okay, so we can see here the fish pie, hit the omelette. Okay, hit the chicken. Okay, so we can see hit the egg. Okay, so now we are getting the each and everything like this. Okay, so this is our code, this is our app, and this is the example, but example is doing fine. Okay, we can see we don't have any issue whenever we will click the input field, and whenever we will click this search recipe button also. I'll say here fish, hit enter. You can see whenever we are gonna hit the enter also in this input field also, then also it is gonna work, but here it is not working. Let me just rectify this, hit enter. You can see we don't got anything. Okay, so Okay, so come to the console. Let me just check what is the issue. It says guys, type error, cannot read properties of undefined reading trim. Okay, so let me just check it, what is the issue with this on change on click handle. Okay, on click so handle and handle search, what is the issue? Let me just check guys. Okay, so it says uh, mm, it says query.trim is not a function. Let's just give you a single quote. Now hit fish, hit enter. We can still see the same problem. Okay, cannot read properties of undefined. So just now we will say here. Okay, mm, what is the issue guys? This is very minute issue, so let me just rectify this in a, give me guys, okay, just a few seconds. Okay, bear with me for a few seconds only. So let me just check what is the issue. So what is the issue? Let me just guys, okay, give me guys, okay, 2 minutes only. Give me just 2 moments only. Okay, so I'll just say here, I'll just rectify this. So what is the issue? Why our code is working only when we click this search suggestion? Okay, so see, on the click of this search suggestion, we got all the things. Okay, so let me guys just show the this, okay, button also. Go to YouTube. Okay, watch on YouTube. So let me just create the button very quickly. So come here, and here only inside this p3 element. Okay, I'm gonna create the button very quickly. So I'm gonna define here one, okay, div. Okay, so I'll just define here one div. Okay, so just inside this div, I'm gonna create here another div, give the class name also. I'll say here div flex. Okay, I'll say here justify content space between. Okay, and just close this div. I'll give here the little bit margin also, margin top, say here 2, margin bottom also say here 2. Okay, open this div. Okay, and now we have to define here one anchor tag also. So I'm gonna define here one anchor tag. Okay, so I'll say here a. Okay, so a, give href equal to like this. Okay, so close this a first. I'll make it button, look like a button. I'll say here class name btn, btn. I'll say here give your info only. I'll say here watch. Okay, watch on YouTube. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we have to say here. Okay, so we have to give here the recipe. Okay, this recipe. Okay, recipe, and now to show the link. So let me just okay, I have already showed you. So we will say here str. Okay, str, we will say here str YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Okay, like this, to give the, okay, I mean the link. Okay, YouTube link. Okay, so just give here the target also. I'll give here target equal to, I'll give here the I mean blank. Okay, so blank, this is it. I'll give here the another like I mean attribute also. I'll say here rel equal to I'll give you the rel equal to no opener and no reference. Okay, no referer. Okay, this is it. Okay, and this is it, guys. Okay, I'll give here the another class. Say here texture decoration none. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now hit this fish pie. You can see here we got the button watch on YouTube, so click this. You can see. Okay, so now our button is working fine, so I'm gonna create here another button for this. Okay, to open the modal. Okay, like see details, we have to open the modal also, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna create here another button, so just say here remove this, it's not looking cool. Okay, so just say here I'm gonna create here one button. Okay, to open the modal. Okay, so just say here button, close this button very quickly. I'll say here see details, see, not this details. Okay, I'll just give the class name also equal to, I'll say here btn btn. I'll say here uh, say here primary. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first, hit the chicken. So see, we can see the button now. Okay, see details. As of now nothing will happen. Okay, nothing will happen whenever we will click this. Okay, so first of all, guys, I have to rectify this error. Okay, I have to rectify this issue. Okay, whenever user will click this. Okay, uh, whenever user will search anything, so we have to rectify this. Okay, cannot read property of undefined reading trim. Okay, so let me just check what is the issue very patiently. Give me, guys, okay, just a few moments only. I'll just rectify this in no time. Okay, I know it is the very minute error. Okay, so just give me, guys, a few moments only. Okay, handle search, handle search. Okay, so this is fine. Come here inside this handle search. Okay, method. Okay, async query. Let me just query dot trim. Okay, so let me just, guys, remove this. Okay, string. Okay, I mean component strict. Okay, mode first, and let me just check it. Okay, if it is still there, we will just control Z. Okay, and save the file, have a look, and just see here fish, hit enter. Okay, it is still here, so just control Z. Okay, so there is no issue of any this special component strict mode. Okay, so we have to check our this. Okay, handle search method only, why it is saying so. Handle search method only, so just come here and handle search, we have to rectify this. So we have to say here, I can say here uh, fetch recipe. Okay, and so we can, guys, say here uh, give here another method name. I can say here fetch. Okay, fetch recipes. Okay, this is it. Okay, and just copy this fetch recipe from here, and it is a function now. So this is it, remove the white spaces. Okay, we don't need any white spaces, so it should be okay, clean, okay, and little compact also. So now just copy this fetch recipes, and we will just call it on click of this handle search. Okay, so just paste it, and we have to give here the, you can see here I've given the parameter also. Okay, like this query, so we have to copy this query from here only, and we have to give it also to this fetch recipes. Okay, so just to close this, and let me just now let me just check it very uh, patiently. Okay, okay, handle search, and we will just okay, so we don't need this. Okay, here, okay, so cut this out, and we'll just say here, we will just say here that set error. Okay, set error, we will just say here null. Okay, set error null. Okay, we will set here reset the error. Okay, error state. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I hope this will fix now. So now search here anything fish, hit enter. Still guys, we got this same issue, and now this will not work. Okay, so okay, handle, so we will define this now, this method handle search. Okay, so come here, const, I'll say here const handle, this handle. Okay, this input button click event handle search. Okay, so I will say here handle handle search, give equal to, give equal to, I'm gonna run here the fat array function. So like this, close this, and now we will just say here okay, this, say here, give here the query. Okay, so copy this query from here, copy it from here, and just paste it here. This is it. So now we will just say here set error message also, we are gonna set it again. We will say here null. Okay, so reset the error, okay, state. Okay, this is it. I'll just say here this, okay, fetch recipes, copy it from here, and just to paste it here with the query also, and we will just say here set, okay, query also, we will make it blank. Okay, so I hope this will rectify the error. Save the file, have a look in the browser again. Okay, so now search here fish, hit enter. Again it is the same issue, but this is working. Okay, so let me just search to, okay, so make this, okay, I mean, so handle, handle click, say here equal to handle click only. So just paste it here, handle click, and say here handle click only. Okay, so instead of this item, we have to give here this query. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser, and hit the burger, Okay, so now it is doing great. Okay, so salad, it is doing great. Omelette, okay, we can see it. Let me just fish, hit enter. So this is the issue. Okay, cannot read properties of undefined reading trim. Okay, cannot read properties of undefined reading trim. Okay, this handle search. Okay, handle search fetch a recipe. So here is the query. So handle search. Okay, so recipes query. What is the issue? There is only issue in this function. So let me just check. Okay, so let me just check, guys. I must have given query dot let me just remove this. Okay, give here the text only as a type text only. Now save the file, have a look in the browser, and this is doing great. Okay, search here fish, hit enter. No, there is still any error. Okay, there is still an error. So reading trim. So if we would remove this trim method. Okay, so try to remove this trim method. Okay, try to remove it and just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now hit the button, search here fish, hit enter, and now we can see here no receipt found. Search, try something else. Okay, okay, so why it is refreshing the page. Okay, so we have to fish, hit enter. No recipe found. We got the null here. Okay, so we got the null here. So dot trim. So we can see here this query. Okay, so this query use state. Okay, what is the issue, guys? I hope, guys, you would have okay find this issue very easily. Okay, and let me just, guys, rectify this for you, guys. Okay, guys, our code is doing great. Okay, our code is doing fantastic. Okay, so let me just create the first, let me just create the button. Okay, see details. Okay, so come here, and now we are gonna define here one method on this button. I'll say here on click. I'll just say here on click. We are gonna open here one method. Okay, we are gonna run here one method. Okay, so now we are gonna do that. So we'll just say here I will just give here the this. Okay, factor function, anonymous factor function like this. I'll say here open. Okay, open modal. Okay, and I'll just pass this entire recipe object. Okay, entire recipe object, just pass it here, paste it here. Okay, and this is the object. Okay, guys, this recipe is now the plain javascript object. Okay, we are gonna now just give the index also. So give here the index as well. Okay, so now just copy this open modal method name from here, and below this method handle search, I'm gonna define it now. Okay, so just say here const, I'll just use here the filter function. So give equal to like this, and say here filter function like this. Okay, so close this and just open this. Okay, so first we are gonna open the modal. Okay, so I'll just say here that I'll just say here sol. Okay, sol dot fire. Okay, and like this, close this. Okay, and we will just say here, just go to the SweetAlert 2. Okay, SweetAlert 2. So just come here, and I'll just use okay, I'll use this. Okay, so we have to use this. Okay, in order to use this, we have to use this animate.css class also, css url also. So let's just copy this cdn link from here. Let's just copy this from here, and just come here in our head section, paste it here. Okay, paste it here. This is it. So now we are free to use the our I mean desired. Okay, so copy this from here and just paste it here. And now, okay, so we have got to alert. So remove this one. Okay, remove this. So now just bring it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so hit burger, and now hit this button, see details. So see, but our animation is not doing. Why our animation is not working? Let me just first rectify this. So what is the issue? Okay, let me just copy let me just copy this cdn link. Okay, and replace with this. Okay, paste it, save the file, have a look in the browser, and Matar Paneer. Okay, hit the button, see details. Oh, what is the issue? What is the issue? Come on, this fish pie, see details. No, what is the issue, guys? Let me just okay, let me just I don't know what is the issue. So our animation is not working. Okay, our animation is not working. There will be some issue, guys, with the link only, I guess. So animate.css, what is the issue? This to this only. So paste it here and save the file, and I hope we have to bring it. So cut this out and just paste it here. Cut this out and just paste it here. Save the file, have a look. Fish pie. No. What is the issue? There is a issue, guys, with the animation class. Okay, so I hope we don't need this. Okay, let it be. Just remove this. Okay, we will use the our conventional. Okay, I mean this. Okay, so we would use this only. Okay, this one. Okay, because this has got the image also. So copy this. Okay, from here to here, and just come down very quickly, and just come down and replace with this. Okay, and now just save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so come here, fish pie. Okay, so see, our animation is doing great. Okay, animation is doing fine, there is no any issue. Okay, so salad, see the details, see it's doing great. Okay, so now we are gonna make it okay dynamic. Okay, so instead of okay this no, like static text sweet alert, we would say here recipe. Okay, this recipe dot to show the name. Okay, so I would just copy this. Okay, str meal from here only, and just paste it here. Okay, just paste it here to make this. Okay, just give here the I'll say here, I will just show here the we can show here like mm, category. Okay, so I'll say here recipe. Okay, dot to show the category. So let me just copy the category from here. Okay, dot area. Okay, we can say here str category. Okay, so just to paste it here. Okay, so now instead of this static image, we would make it dynamic. I'll say here recipe dot str. Okay, str meal thumb. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so just hit the burger, see the button. Okay, hit the button, see details. See, we can see it. So let's just make it. Okay, height I'll give here the auto. Okay, height auto I'll give here. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Chicken, hit the button, see details. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, but here we can see here we can show the this. Okay, price description. Okay, it is just nothing. Okay, we can come here and we can just use. Okay, this. Okay, where is the html part? Html, yeah, here we can see here. Okay, so we can make this html. Okay, as it is up to us only. Okay, so now for this demo, let's just be it only. We can show the anything also here. We can show anything, guys. Okay, I showed you also. Okay, so for this demo, let it be only like a recipe name. Okay, and the the category. Okay, so we can give here the text if we want. Okay, so let me just make it. So use here the backtick. Okay, use here the backtick. I'll just use here the so use here the dollar like this. Okay, so just close this. I'll just say here h1. Okay, close this h1. Okay, I'll just say here the category. Okay, okay, give a space, give colon, give a space, and see if this works or not. Save the file, have a look in the browser, hit burger, see details. You can see here we got the same thing. Okay, as it is. Okay, so just remove this h1. Okay, remove this h1, and now save the file, have a look in the browser. So see details. We can see here category is now vegetarian. Okay, you can see here the category is now vegetarian. Okay, so likewise we can show the details, like cuisine also. So just copy this. Okay, and just say here html. So give space, copy this. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, I'll say here cuisine. Okay, cuisine, and just come here, and to show the cuisine we have to copy this str area. Okay, so just paste it here. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, so now hit chicken. Okay, see details. See, so you can see here chicken, and cuisine is Chinese. So why it is gonna replace? Okay, so either we can have only html, or we can have only this text. Okay, so let's just copy it from here, and now just give comma, give us this. Okay, remove this text. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. Egg, see the details. So you can see here cuisine is okay, Filipino, category is vegetarian. Now we can see each details also. If we want, if we can apply here. Okay, so let me guys just come here. to this code. Okay, let me just copy this HTML part only. So copy this HTML part, okay, and just come here, although I explained you all the things. Okay, so let me just paste it here. Okay, this HTML part. Okay, so this is the img element. Okay, uh, I am not gonna show here the img. Okay, so just remove this. I will show the img using the image URL only. Okay, only I will show the we will say here the cuisine. Okay, instead of price we'll say here cuisine. Okay, and we will just copy this and just paste it here. Instead of price, paste it here. This is it. And category also here. Instead of description, I'll say here uh, category is this. And instead of, okay, let me just category cuisine. And we can see here this is the cuisine. This is the okay, so let it be. Just remove this. Okay, remove this and save the file. Have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now just hit burger, hit the button, see details. So it says I guess we have to give here the image only. Okay, so remove this, save the file, have a look now. Click egg, see details. What is the issue? We got the issue. Post. Okay, 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 okay. So where is the post, guys? Okay, okay, so here is the post. Okay, so instead of post we have to say here a recipe. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser now. Close this and hit fish pie, hit this, see details. Okay, so we can see here the okay, nice and bigger recipe image, recipe name, cuisine is British. Okay, category is seafood. Okay, so let's just make it, okay, let it be. Fine, this is good. Okay, and now we have to rectify our the main issue, the important issue, which is whenever user will click on this, okay, search something from here and hit enter, it says cannot read properties of undefined reading trim. Okay, let me just check what is the issue. Okay, let me guys just check what is the issue. So come to the example only. Let me just rectify the issue for you. Okay, so here is the search. Okay, recipe. Okay, here is the search recipe. Okay, so here is the search recipe. I am saying the same thing. Okay, recipe. Okay, so this is the recipe. So what is the issue here? There is no issue here. We can see here I'm also using the here also trim to trim the white spaces from left and right. Okay, so we can see here return is okay or not. Okay, so return statement is okay. So come here, let me just guys let me just replace with this code. Okay, and let's just see if this fixes or not. Okay, so let me just copy everything is okay here also. So key down. Okay, class name button. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys let me just copy this fetch recipe method name from here and just paste it here. Okay, although I've explained you all the things in deep in details. Okay, so with replace with this code only. So paste it here and now just save the file, have a look in the browser if this will fix the issue or not. Say here fish, hit enter. Still guys we can see the same thing. Okay, cannot read properties of undefined reading trim. Our code is doing great, our code is doing great. Okay, so let's just okay hit this button. Okay, so fish, now let's just hit this button, search recipe. Okay, still we got this same issue. So query.trim is not a function. It says query.trim is not a function. So the only issue lies inside let me just check now this handle click method. So handle okay, handle click, handle click method. So handle click. Okay, so handle click handle click method. We can, okay, it's normal, it's quite normal. We can do anything. Okay, so to show the okay, just to make the I mean like input field blank, or just to set the query string also. Okay, with this item. So just let me just check what is the issue. So item handle click, say here only query. Okay, there is no any issue. So copy this, replace with this item, and replace with this item as well. Okay, so handle click and handle search. So handle search is here. We have right guys each and everything correct. Okay, so set error null. Okay, and okay, set fetch recipes. We have passed here the query. Okay, make the empty input field also, and fetch recipes. Okay, so make just say here, make it remove this, and now save the file. Have a look, click here fish. Still the same problem. I don't know what is the issue. I don't know guys what is the issue. There is no issue at all. Okay, there is no any issue. Everything is doing great, everything is doing fine. Let's just give here the type only input is there. Okay, I have also given the type only input. Okay, and let's just replace, okay, all these methods also on the input field. Okay, and I hope this will fix. Let's just remove this. Okay, and okay, what is the issue? So now we don't have any issue guys. It is a, I mean some, uh, mindless I mean issue. Okay, see, query.trim is not a function. Hit enter. You can see here the cannot read properties of undefined trim. Still don't know, I don't know why, what is the issue. So guys, let's just remove only our code. Okay, bring only our code, because we have written the code. Okay, for okay, so I'm sorry. So I'll just rectify this guys. Okay, okay, so handle let me just guys copy these, okay, method name from here, and just replace with this method. Okay, so just save the file. Okay, and have a look in the browser now. I'm sorry. So salad, we can see here it is doing great. Okay guys, our search suggestions is doing great. Okay, but our input field is not doing. Okay, okay guys, now it is doing great also. Okay guys, now it is doing great. Okay, so the issue was only, I'll say here biryani. Okay, hit enter. See, it's doing great now. Okay, so let me guys just control Z. Okay, let me just bring our code only, and let me just check what is the issue with the handle click. Okay, so handle click set error. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so So handle search query, handle search, where is the handle? This handle search. Okay, you can see here handle search has not any guys parameter. Okay, you can see here handle search has not got any parameter. Okay, but here we are passing the parameter as well. Okay, so we have to remove this parameter, guys. Okay, remove this parameter query. Okay, and just save the file and have a look in the browser. Hit fish, hit enter. See, boom, guys, now it is doing great. Okay, so guys, I was just doing mistake here. I was just giving the this search handle search, okay, a parameter query. Okay, but you can see here there is no any parameter on this handle search method. Okay, there is no any parameter on this handle search, but here I have given here the query parameter. Okay, so it is not needed. Okay, so remove this. This was the only issue. So now hit here chicken, hit enter. See, it is doing great. We can see this much of product. Okay, see details. This is looking cool. This is looking dynamic also. See the bigger image, the like recipe name also, cuisine American, category chicken. Click OK. Okay, so we can see everything is doing great, everything is doing fantastic. Okay, so I hope guys we have learned here a lot of things, and I know we have got okay stuck in problem. Okay, and we have taken here like a few more times. Okay, just to rectify the issue, because the issue was okay here only. So I'm very sorry for this. Okay, but I hope guys you have learned something. Okay, you have gained some knowledge. Okay, some information from this video, from this session. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something unique, something awesome. Guys, if you feel you have learned something unique, something great from this video, from this session, okay, then please guys, okay, do subscribe to my this channel Code with ER, and please guys, okay, press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn from them also. Okay, so you can see everything is doing fine. Okay, the search string, the search suggestion is also doing great. Okay, and we can search anything. If we can search anything, it will give the issue also. It says okay, no recipe found, try searching something else. Okay, so okay, let me just search here any. I'll search here YouTube, hit enter. You can see here no recipe found, try searching something else. Okay, now let me search here the I can search here the I can search here any say here watermelon, hit enter. No recipe found. Okay, so search here. I'll say here salt, hit enter. So see, with this search string salt also, so why it is being empty? So we can see here whenever we will search here something. Okay, so it is not empty. Okay, so we have to make this also not empty. So remove this. Okay, set query from here, and now just save the file, have a look in the browser, search here salt, hit enter. So we can see here, see the details also. See the details. Okay, we can see the YouTube video also by clicking the button. Close this. Okay, so now search here sugar, hit enter. We can see here sugar pie with this search string sugar. Okay, see details, click OK. Okay, so search here egg fry, hit enter. No, nothing found. I'll search here with the fry only, hit enter. You can see with the fry only, dal fry. Okay, you can see here dal fry, vegetarian, cuisine Indian, see details. Okay, so this is the big recipe image, dal fry name, cuisine Indian, and category vegetarian. Click OK. So I hope guys we have learned a lot of things a lot of new things from this video, from this session. Okay, and I know guys, we have got into the issue also, but we have rectified. Okay, and we know how to rectify the issue as well. Okay, so I hope guys, you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and guys, you will definitely support me as well. Okay, I know you would watch only city content only. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so guys, if you want to give me the feedback also, just give me the feedback also in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to implement it in my session, in my next video as well. Okay, and if you feel any doubt, any like you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to resolve it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my session. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. Okay, so see you guys. Bye bye, take care. Okay, you can see here the nice loading skeleton as well. Okay, so now see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.